In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a subscription website on Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to install Shopify's subscription app, set up a subscription plan, and connect it to your products so customers can easily subscribe instead of just buying once. Let's get started inside your Shopify admin dashboard. At the top of the page, you'll see a search bar. Click on that search bar, and from the drop-down options that appear, choose Apps. In the search field that opens, type Shopify subscription and press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to relevant apps in the Shopify App Store. From the search results, look for the official Shopify subscriptions app. When you find it, click into it, then click the install button. Shopify will walk you through a few installation prompts, such as confirming permissions. Just follow those prompts step by step until the app is fully installed. This process connects the subscription functionality directly to your store. Once the installation is complete, you'll be taken to the Shopify subscriptions dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a panel with different options related to subscriptions. Look for the option labeled Plans under the Subscriptions app section and click on it. This is where you'll create and manage all of your subscription plans. Next, click on Subscription Plan to start setting up a new one. Here, you can begin by giving your subscription a clear title that your customers will recognize, such as monthly coffee subscription or weekly snack box. You'll also see a field for an internal description. This is just for you and your team, so use it to note important details like what's included, target audience, or any special conditions. Now, move to the products area. Click Browse, and a list of your existing products will appear. Choose the specific product or products you want to offer as a subscription. This links the plan directly to what customers will be buying on a recurring basis. Under Discounts and Delivery, you can decide if you want to give subscribers a special deal. You'll see a checkbox for offering a discount. If you enable it, you can choose between a percentage off, a specific amount off, or a fixed price that subscribers will pay. Enter the values carefully and think about using a small discount as an incentive for customers to choose the subscription option. Just below that, set your delivery frequency. You can choose whether the subscription renews every week, every month, or every year, depending on what makes sense for your product and your customers' needs. When you're happy with your setup, don't forget to save your work. At the top of the page near the search bar, or at the very bottom of the page, you'll see a Save button. Click Save to apply all your changes and activate the subscription plan. And that's it. You've just created a subscription option for your Shopify store, turning one-time shoppers into returning customers automatically.